Where are we off to?
We're off to 38.
Are you looking forward to it? Yes. You're gonna have fun?
Beach.
Yes. Sunshine.
Yes. Let's go.
Quick toilet and drink stop before we hit the road again.
Ooh, really got the burn. I shouldn't be
Yeah?
telling you that yet. Really got just telling you that. Right, there you go. Say that. Don't get sunburned.
I'll try my
And
best.
I'm allowed to say that because I've got a red-headed son who used to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
cock when he was a kid.
It's the bane of my existence, man. Thank you. See ya. I was filming all of that. It's like a tiny, tiny kick of chili. Right in, like at the end, at the aftertaste. It's just like the tiniest. Almost like fizz, you know? I can taste
yeah?
it. It's like
It's
a little-
nice.
It's really nice. So from this point we have two ways we can go. West, through Whangamata, or we can go east through Whangamata, or we can go northwest through the Thames coast. What are we gonna do?
Thames Coast.
Yeah?
We've got all day.
Okay. It's an adventure. Don't we just live in a beautiful country? So pretty. How can it be?
Goodbye, clean car.
So not that it was clean beforehand.
Civilization.
We made it out! Woo! Oh, and more gravel. Woohoo! Arrived! It was on before. Oh man. Oh man. We made it. Now the baby's just woken up and we're gonna go say hi.
You got our Wi-Fi password? Yeah.
Are you riding the horse?
Good you.
Who's that? Who's that?
I rated the
What are you doing?
yeah.
Wow.
Ah. You cheeky monkey.
Yeah.
Is this the War of the Wheels?
Yes, legit.
Take your signal and destroy the world we do.
Good morning, Whirianga. Do you want to say hello, Buzz? Let's go see what everyone's up to. Good morning. Let's get a fake one of each other.
Oh, there's a car down there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Kid's bike.
It's lunchtime and it's a beautiful day on the Coromandel. So it's pie time. It smells like fish, man.
It is.
Still slippery.
Might have
What'd you make?
salted caramel mousse pops.
Made salted caramel mousse pops.
Wow. You can do it.
Yeah.
Click.
Well, that was clever.
Hey,
Yeah.
yeah.
What's up?
Gangster baby.
Hey man.
So my turn.
Ta-ta! what you were speaking.
Oh, I know.
We're on our way home from Whitianga. From the weekend. The weekend's over. It's always over way too fast. Way too fast.
We need 4-day weekends. Or 3 days.
3 day at the least. 3 day at the least. Anyway, it was super fun though.
Yeah. Only a little bit clucky.
Let's drive, eh? Let's get home. Let's
Yeah.
beat the traffic and whatnot. Well, we made it home.
We did.
And we're tired. We're so tired. What are we gonna watch?
The Crown.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Yeah.